I'm working with Impressions yarn by Loops and Threads, and that's available at Michael's. This color is Tapestry. It's considered a bulky yarn, and it has 246 yards or 225 meters of yarn per ball, and a 9mm crochet hook. You could use any size yarn and any size hook that you like. And I had this much yarn left, so I used approximately 450 yards to make this shawl. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, and sometimes a bonus in between. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns, and many of them are free, or on Etsy. Hectanooga Patterns is my shop name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns. Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make this very easy shawl. And it's worked sideways, so let's get started. So you're going to start with a slip knot, and you're going to work a foundation chain that is as long as you would like your shawl to be. And when you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to yarn around the hook, and you're going to work into the 4th stitch from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to make a double crochet. And that is your first V-stitch. Now you're going to skip the next 2 stitches, and you're going to make a V-stitch in the next stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, all in the same stitch. See that? Double, chain 1, double, all in the same stitch. And you're going to repeat that across the row. Skip 2, V-stitch in the next stitch. Double, chain 1, and double. Skip 2 in the next stitch, make a V-stitch. Double, chain 1, and double. Like that, all the way across the row. And after you have worked across the row, you're going to repeat the next row over and over. So you're going to turn your work, slip stitch into the first V-stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and that counts as a double crochet and a chain 1. In the same stitch, make another double crochet, and that will be the first V-stitch. In the next chain 1 space, make a V-stitch. Like that, a V-stitch in every chain 1 space. So V-stitch, 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 all the way across the row. I'm going to repeat that row over and over. And here's the finished shawl, and there's the row that I worked, and there's the second row. So just keep repeating this row over and over until the shawl will reach to your outstretched arms. And that's how easy it is to crochet this Impressions shawl. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.